All right, YouTube. So if you ever have issues with your phone headset not working, or let's say it shows a symbol that your actual headset is plugged in when it's actually not, that's normally because you kind of got moist in it or perhaps lint on the actual inside the actual part where the jack goes. So right in this little spot right here, that's what I'm talking about. Normally some people use Q-tip and put it in there, or you can actually put a grain of rice to absorb the water. In this case, let's see, I'm gonna show you an example of what I'm talking about. So we go to Pandora here, and we're playing Pandora, and you can see, let's go ahead and hit play. You see we're not seeing anything. Turn up the volume, media up, you're not getting no sound out of it. So if you tried both the tricks with the rice and the actual Q-tip, try to take out the lint or extra moist in there, you need to download an app. That's another option. So you go to the App Store and you type in the app. So it's HF. So it's called HF Button Widget KitKat. So you want to download it. Okay. I already downloaded the program, so I'm not going to uninstall it, right? So what I'm going to do, once you download it, it's not going to show on your actual screen, or in some cases desktop, whatever you want to call it. So you have to actually go into, let's go to settings, and you want to go here, making it easier for you. Go to General, then you go to Application Manager, and you should see the HF button there. So what you want to do is hold it down and just add a shortcut to your screen. Okay? So with that option now, it should look like that on the screen. So once you see that actual button lit up in like yellow or green, that means it's in headphone mode only. So you want to switch that. You want to turn it on. And now you can hear music, right? Turn it off or turn it on. An option, once it's turned on, that means it's headphones only. There you go, music. So this works just in case you can't get rid of that symbol. So that's just a quick tip. All right, Jamaica Jones out. Peace.